everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade pecan pie from scratch. This recipe calls for 8 to 10 individual servings of pecan pie. Not only is this a rich southern classic, but it is absolutely delicious. Now I do have other pie recipes out there that you can try. Recipes such as my delicious homemade sweet potato pie, pumpkin pie, lemon meringue pie, apple pie, and a New Orleans favorite, lemon icebox pie. And I'll have the links to those recipe videos in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your homemade pecan pie. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need 8 ounces of pecan halves, light corn syrup, all-purpose flour, sugar, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 1 can that's 12 fluid ounces of evaporated milk at room temperature, and some unsalted butter. For your flavorings, you will need some vanilla extract and some butter extract. To bake your pecan pie, you will need a 9-inch round that's 23 centimeter pie pan. Now this is not a deep dish, this is a regular standard pie pan, and it is fitted with a frozen pie shell. Now I do have a recipe video on how to make pie crust from scratch, and I'll have the links to that recipe video in the description box. And there we have it. To mix your ingredients, you will need a whisk and a spatula. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of light corn syrup. Add 3 large eggs at room temperature. Using a whisk, stir all your ingredients together until combined. Add 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of butter extract. Using a whisk, stir all your ingredients together until well combined. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now the flour is being added as a thickening and binding agent for your pie filling. Using a whisk, stir all your ingredients together until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 2 cups of pecan halves. Using a spatula, fold the pecans into the batter, and our pecan pie filling is now ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add your pecan pie filling into your prepared pie pan fitted with a frozen pie shell. Take your spatula and glide it along the top of your pecans. This will allow them to float at the surface. Let this sit for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 350 degree oven. Bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Remove your pecan pie out of the oven after baking on 350 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Take your hand and tap the top of your pecan pie. If it springs back, that lets you know that the pie is done. Here is the bottom of the pie, and as you can see, that bottom crust is a nice golden brown. That lets us know that our crust has been baked thoroughly. Let the pie cool completely before serving. For best results, serve this the very next day so that way the flavors can settle and increase overnight. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it. Homemade pecan pie, made from scratch. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Man, the pecans are nice and toasty, then that filling is really rich and you can taste all the flavorings that we've added. It's really, really good. If you're looking for a pie recipe that's going to satisfy all of your sweet cravings, this is the recipe for you. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.